If you're watching this on or around August 12th, then listen up, because this video found you for a reason and you are so blessed because everything is aligning in your favor. There's an intensity that is picking up right now that is driving people into new ideas, new spaces, new energies. And I feel like God is moving people forward, whether they're ready or not. So this is telling you that it's time, that this is the perfect window to get ready to receive, to move into something exhilarating, because this is lock-in season, baby. It's go time. This is where you are going to make something great between now and December, the end of December. So you have 4 months to end 2026 with a bang, and what you decide to do now is going to depict what happens going forward. This is going to set the tone for the next 4 months moving into 2027 and beyond. We're nearing the end of the 20s, and yes, people are still trying to process what happened 8 years ago, but now people are realizing, oh crap, I need to get going. I need to stop being distracted. And that is the perfect reason to start tuning out the noise and focusing yourself on your dreams, your aspirations, your goals, and not letting reality get the best of you, not seeing the doom and gloom and thinking that the world is ending, because everybody is so drawn into the programming. It's hysterical, it's sensational, and it's so ridiculous and so fake. So don't even pay attention, because what matters is the life that you create, who you are on a daily basis, and you do not have to fear, because most of what you see is an illusion. It's not real, and it's just stupid anyway. It's all designed to get you riled up and to distract you and to keep you stuck. So focus on the things that matter. Focus on the things that you're grateful for and that you want to keep building and working on and just becoming a better person. And that creates a lasting legacy. That is true wealth. And then everything else is a byproduct of that. And you bring heaven down to earth. You advance God's kingdom just by being you and being positive and focusing on God and looking to Him for everything, especially when there's so much going on in the world that is asking for your attention. So I hope this was helpful. I hope that it resonated. And if it did, let me know in the comments, because this is a very powerful point in the year where the energy is ripe for the taking. So take advantage of it. Okay, so if this resonated, hit that like button. And if you're not following me, you must, because I put out new videos almost every single day to help you on your journey, and this helps spread the good word. It spreads this messages to others, and that's part of your impact as well. And I am so grateful for all your support. If you want to join the Temple Within and my online sanctuary where you could grow closer to God outside of religious programming, then that is the place to be. That is linked down below. I am relaunching it tomorrow. It's very exciting. So I hope to see you there, and I cannot wait to see you in the next video. Bye.